What do we have here? Here we are given an equation, y equals 2x plus 4. It says consider the line with equation y equals 2x plus 4. So this is the equation we're focusing on. And we're asked to do three things. First of all, to find the points on the line with an x-coordinate of 1 and the point with an x-coordinate of 3. These will be two different points. Let's do these one at a time. Let's imagine that the x-coordinate is 1 and say if x equals 1 and just see what happens. So if the x-coordinate is 1, that's what we're told, then let's write the equation of the line, y equals 2x plus 4. We know that in this imaginary world, this hypothetical world, we're imagining that x equals 1. So if I replace x with 1, y equals 2, 1 plus 4. I have replaced x with 1, but this looks like 21. But there's an invisible symbol between the 2 and the x. What's the invisible symbol? This doesn't just mean 2x, it means 2 times x. So this is 2 times 1. If I substitute, so if I replace the x with 1, I should put the invisible times sign back in. Otherwise, it looks like 21, but really it's 2 times 1. Anyway, so y equals 2 times 1, I copy down the plus, I copy down the 4. Now I'm going to write it again. Copy down the y, copy down the equals. 2 times 1, I can replace that with the answer. In my rules of bed maths, I do multiplication before I do addition. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 makes 6. So if x is 1, y is 6. Let's try this other point. This other point has an x-coordinate of 3. So we can do the same thing. If x equals 3, y equals 2x plus 4, y equals 2 times 3 plus 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So y equals 10. Do you notice that each of these represents a point? This here it's a point with an x-coordinate of 1 and a y-coordinate of 6. And we're plotting these points in this question. Plot the points on a number grid. A Cartesian plane is a number grid. They're the same thing. So plot the points on a number grid and hence draw the line. Let's plot the points first. This point has an x value of 1 and a y value of 6. That is going to be x value is 1, y value is 6. Across 1, up 6. This point here has an x value of 3 and a y value of 10. X is 3 and y is 10. Whoopsie. So I've plotted the points on a number grid, which is a Cartesian plane. Hence, draw the line. Hence means using what you've just done. So I've plotted these, using that, let's draw a straight line between them. It's important that your straight line is very neat, very straight, and goes exactly through the center of these dots. Good, done. Part C, use the points to find the gradient of the line. So to find the gradient of a line, I need 2 points. Very conveniently, I already have 2 points here. I can use my formula for the gradient of a line, which is that the gradient or the slope, or m, is the y step divided by the x step. Y step is how far up, and x step is how far across. So from here, I have to go to the right, and then I go up. The y step is how far up or down I go. So from here, I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces. So the y step is 4. And the x step is 1, 2. So the y step is 4, and the x step is 2. The slope is 4 divided by 2. If you can simplify a fraction, then please do. You should. You should simplify the fraction if you can. So the answer is as simple as possible. And we can simplify this answer. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the slope is 2. Just to show you what that means, it means if I go across 1 unit, then I would go up 2 units. Good. And that is how, given an equation, you can find some points on the line with that equation and also find the gradient, how steep it is as well. All right. Hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.